Hello guys, welcome back to your new video with Realme Neo 6.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So without wasting time, let's open the box. Firstly, we get user manual, then Realme Neo 6 and 100-watt charger with data cable, and a case for the phone. Everything is good now, let's talk about the phone. So this is the phone with liquid silver night color. The back is made of plastic, but it's feel like glass. Back. And the weight of the phone is around 191 grams. Now let's talk about the display. It comes with 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED display with 120 Hz refresh rate. The battery life is also impressive. It comes with 5500 mAh lasting all day on a single charge, so you can stay connected without worry. And one thing I forget to mention, it comes with 100-watt fast charging. Let's not forget about the camera. It comes with 50 megapixel and 8 megapixel real camera. This phone can capture stunning photos and videos in any lighting condition. When it comes to performance, the Realme Neo 6 does not disappoint. Powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 plus Gen 3, which perform more than I expect. Realme GT Neo 6 SE price in India is expected to be Rs 19,500. In conclusion, the Realme Neo is a powerhouse of a phone that offers high-end features at an affordable price. From its premium design to top-notch performance and advanced camera capabilities, this device has it all. If you're in the market for a new smartphone, look no further than the Realme Neo 6. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and unboxings. See you in the next video.